guys, how are we? The fun actually begins now. It's not taking any of the vinyl off, it's actually putting the vinyl on. I'm really excited to see how this goes. It's not gonna be a fast process, but I'm hoping to get it done a lot faster than I did last time. But first, I'm gonna go to the supermarket and stock up on, you guys know my favorite drinks, the Pasito. I am going to go get some of that and stock up right now. Oh, the usual park is here. Hell yeah. Ooh. Look at her. Look at that thing. Oh, Dylan's here with his new whip. Let's go. So one of my good mates from the Subaru club has actually gone and bought himself a brand new car. So we're going to quickly install an exhaust on it, and I'll just do a time lapse of it and first start up, and then after we put the new exhaust on start up. I'm not going to do a whole video on about it because I've done too many exhaust videos, but yeah. So here's his car here. Awesome looking car. Look at this thing. Hell yeah. Look at it. So quiet though, it needs to be louder. So this is his car. The first, when it's still got this stock exhaust on it. We'll hear it go. So she's very quiet, but we'll fix that. We got this. Hell yeah, I love that thing. G'day guys, so it's actually the next day after that exhaust video, and let's just say it's not the best day to vinyl wrap a car. It's she's a bit wet everywhere around here, so it's a bit horrid. So what I'm actually gonna do is we're going to go to work, where last time, I don't know if you guys remembered, but last time I wrapped my car, I did it at my work, which is inside a factory. So I'm actually going to go do that again this time and just drive it up and back from work when it's half blue, half silver, which doesn't really care because it's going to look really good in the end. So I'm not really that fussed. But yeah, so I've just gone and packed the car. So I've got all the vinyl, my like all the stuff I need to install the vinyl. I've got heat gun, socket set, various tools in the car, temp gun, more tools. Also on the way to work, I'm going to buy a few microfiber towels, and I'm also going to buy a clay bar so I can clean the car really good, and also possibly isopropyl alcohol, maybe, not sure yet. But we've got vinyl prep at work, so I'll probably end up using that. I'm not sure. We'll see and find out. But yeah, so I will catch you guys in the car when I see you guys next. Man, silver is definitely a sick colour though. Like, let's be real. Holy hell, that looks good. So I just got to my workplace just now. We have got the car in a place. And I will actually, you guys don't know the colour yet, do you? I forgot about that. Hold up. Let me show you guys the colour. You ready? So there you go. This is the colour. I'm really excited for this colour. I reckon it's gonna look really good, especially matched with the things that is coming for this car. It might not look the way that I want it, like the way that it is right now. I nearly let it out just then. The way that it is now, but I promise you, when everything's put together and everything's the way we want it, it's gonna look absolutely awesome. I hope. It should. I'm 99.9% sure it will, but only time will tell. So yeah, so the way that I'm probably going to go about wrapping it is I'm thinking of starting on the bonnet. I'm thinking, so what I'm going to have to do is I'll take the bonnet scoop out, which is like 5 holes underneath this, and then pop this off. I think it literally just pops off memory, and then we can get started, I guess. So I'll put you guys on the tripod and we'll get started on the hood. May as well just start straight off the bat because there's nothing else to talk about. So yeah, let's go. So when I was talking earlier about those clay bars, you can get a pack of 3 of them from, in Australia, it's called Repco. Pretty much any auto store sort of thing you guys have, they sell clay bars. So all it is literally just clay. I don't know if you can really tell off here if it wants to focus. There we go. It's literally clay. So all you're doing with it is you put isopropyl alcohol or water or whatever you want to use, and just spray that, and then literally just rub this around the car. So I'll do that right now, and all it does is just picks up all the crap from your car, and I'll show you guys after I've done it, and it's probably a bit easier to see for yourself rather than me trying to explain it, because I'm not the smartest when it comes to that sort of stuff. So yeah, let's go. So I've gone and completely finished the top hood, pretty much. It looks pretty good. There's some imperfections in it, but no one would ever pick up. It's only me that know about it, so which is good. It's actually a pretty good job. I'm quite happy with it. As you guys saw, I went ham on the heat gun, made sure everything was perfect. And because I don't want what happened last time where I had bits slowly getting off, which is going to happen, but hopefully not as much on this as it did last time. So yeah, I'm learning from my old mistakes. But what I'm going to do is I am probably actually going to do the bonnet scoop. So I'll take you guys into a different room where we're going to do the bonnet scoop right now. Let's go. Alright, so we've completely finished wrapping the bonnet scoop. So what I'm actually going to do right now is I'm going to put it in for the first time, see what it looks like. Hold up, let me just tilt the screen. Alright. Click it all in. Hell yeah, that looks cool. It's weird, on this, it looks very, very light, the colour. But yeah, I really, really like the look of that, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'm probably going to do now, actually, is I'm going to move on to both of the front fenders. So I'll do both of them. For that, I'm going to have to take off the front bumper, so I'll quickly zip that off. And I'll do both the front fenders. So I'm not going to bother about trying to talk about each one because it's pretty straightforward. Just keep doing the same process as we did on the first one. And yeah, I'm going to knock out both these front fenders. Let's do it. Alright, so I have gone and finished this one just here. The car's looking, I mean, you get a pretty good look of what it's going to look like. Again, this is very dark to what it actually is. So, yeah, but it's still a pretty good representation. So the reason why I haven't done this side was because I've actually run out of memory, well, storage on this card on my camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this for today. I've gone to put the front bumper on, as you guys saw, and I am going to pick it up tomorrow, and I'm going to knock out this one and get a few more things knocked out. But yeah, I'm going to stop for today. I'm going to go home, get everything off this card. I'm going to bring another card tomorrow, and possibly get another one on the way or something, or find another one at home. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna, I can tell just off of this, it's gonna look really, really nice. Well, I'm hoping it will at least. But yeah, so I will pick up with you guys. Well, for you guys, it's gonna be literally 2 seconds later. But for me, it's gonna be tomorrow. So, see you guys then. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm actually in the middle of editing now, as you guys can tell. I'm not very well. But unfortunately, one of my memory cards actually got corrupted. So the clip of me, which was meant to be the next clip, was corrupted, and a few more. So the other side of the fender, or the other fender, has no file or me talking. So what you guys are about to see is me continuing on with the bumper. With the bumper. I'll try that again. All right, let's go. Sorry about that. Bye. So we've finished the bumper. I'm here with Fletcher. He's chilling in bed. He's keeping me company because I'm absolutely terrified of this place. Yeah, mate. I seriously am. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, I'm so bad with like horror movies and anything that's scary. So I was like, especially because this place is usually completely dark, pitch black, because I'm in that other room. So Yeah. Wow. He's playing his other movies and we're trying to do things. What are you doing, Flesh? But yeah, so we've gone and completed the whole front side of the car. That's going to be it for this video. That's all I'm going to do this video. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, to be honest. I'm extremely happy with it. So yeah, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 parts of this. So I'm going to finish this. Well, I've finished it now. So I'm going to do this video. This video is going to go out just like the front end of the car, and I'm going to do the rest of the complete side of the car. The next video you guys will see. So yeah, it should quite easily get it knocked out by that. It's not perfect by any means, but it's not a bad job. If I can get a chance, I want to redo the hood. It doesn't look bad. It's just that, yeah, I don't know. But anyways, thanks to big old Fletcher around here for helping me stay in my company. So if you guys enjoyed this video, click the like button, subscribe if you feel like supporting me. There's more big things coming, as well as finishing this wrap, obviously. It's big as well. Fletcher, tell them it's big.
It's very big.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's coming.
Mad,
he's saying. But yeah, so I don't really know what else to say. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, subscribe, hit the like button, comment any video ideas, anything you want to tell me, and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, have a good one. We don't have merch, Fletch. Anyways, see you later. Bye.